So let me show you how much money you can make with the vidIQ affiliate program. So I'm here on the affiliate page for vidIQ, and by the way, make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you a real life example of how much money I made as an affiliate for a different software company. I created very simple short videos on this channel that you're watching to promote the software, and most of the videos only got like 10 views, but it still made some good money. So it might be a surprise for you because it certainly surprised me. So make sure you watch until the end. So if we look here on this website, as it tells you, vidIQ has 3 different affiliate levels. They've got the associate, the influencer, and the ambassador. So if you get between 0 to 10 sales, then you're an associate and you'll be getting 15% in recurring commissions every single month on whatever amount is generated. And then if you get between 11 to 50, then you get 20%. And if you have more than 51 sales, then you'll earn 25% commission every single month. So if we look at their pricing, we can see that they've got the boost and they've got the coaching plan. So for example, if someone signs up to coaching, that's about $100 a month. And if you are in the ambassador program, then you would be making about $25 a month every single month. If you're an associate, if you're starting out, you'd make about $15 a month every single month. Now, vidIQ is one of the most trusted and most popular SEO ranking tools for YouTubers in the world. I think it's even more famous than TubeBuddy. So it converts really, really well. So even though the commission rates might not look like a lot, you can make a lot of money because people who generally sign up to vidIQ stick to it for a very long time. And one of the best ways to actually make money with affiliate marketing is to actually try the product that you're promoting, because it makes it more valuable to the audience if you can give real information and share your honest thoughts. So for your convenience, I've included the link to try vidIQ in the description of this video. Now, I feel like most people, you probably don't think you can actually make money from this unless you're like a huge influencer like Mr. Beast with like hundreds of millions of followers and subscribers, or you have to have super viral videos that get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views to make real money from this. But is that really true?
Hell no! No!
I actually used a really unique strategy to set myself up with recurring commissions without creating any viral videos or even showing my face. So let me show you some actual proof so you can better understand what I mean. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now, 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very, very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.